Welcome back. We're going to finish up that weld on that household appliance item that we had from the last video. So you can see the finishing off of it, and we'll do the dremeling and all that happy stuff. So again, we're going to choose this guy right here because it gives us that precision welding that we need. Part fell over. It's okay. Got it now. A little too hot. A really good sign that you're a little too close to your welds when you're doing this is you'll see it start smoking a touch. It means we're getting a little too hot, right? So you just pull away a little bit so you're a little farther away, because all we're doing is controlling the heat. And all the common denominator across all of this is we're doing really, really good heat control. We'll jump in, get her. Here. Don't need that anymore. One last little spot melting. Okay. Like that. That welded out fairly good. We're going to cool that off now. Oh. Handy dandy little handheld portable blower. Woo! This thing is great. I'll get a review on that in another video. All right. Let's do some shaving order. Let's shave it down to our right size. The first one we want to get on there, I like to use on my Dremels, are these little chainsaw sharpening wheels. It's got a flat head on the top of it, like a flat spot, right? Works really, really good for shaving off plastic on top. A flat surface. And these aren't that aggressive when it comes to shaving down the plastic, so it really allows you to get the shape you want without biting in and chewing up too much. Yeah. Gotta use my own advice. Wear the safety glasses. Last thing you want to do is get a hot piece of plastic slag in your eye when you're shaving. Okay. All right. Oh, the cleaned up piece now. Cool. A little rough still, but more of the shape is there now. So let's polish it. Tip I use for polishing. Dremel has these polishing wheels that are like these. All right, we're going to get it on a lower speed. Goes on an arbor, roll lock arbor. This is going to allow us to get in some these tighter areas. I don't want it that fast. I'm going to lower my speed of the Dremel down considerably because this will melt very, very fast. Polishing the plastic. And I know many of you are saying I wouldn't go that length for something goes on a lawnmower, it's just going to get ruined or destroyed. It's not about that in this video. It's about showing y'all how it's done right. Alright. And yes, I do this to all the stuff that I fix. I go this length. I go to this extreme because I don't like my stuff looking like garbage. So the last little thing we're going to do is we're just going to run an open flame over everything. And what this does is it just polymerizes the surface. All right, makes it shiny, glasses it out a little bit, so it looks closer to the right color again. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching.